Today we'll be testing a strategy that turns losses into wins created by Scalp Genius. I will be testing it 100 times using gold on the 15-minute time frame to see if we can actually make profit with this. But before we start, welcome to Tradefluence. My name's Gonzalo Branco. I'm a 23-year-old Forex trader who's been trading for the last 5 years now, and even have my own channel sharing my live trades with proof back in 2021. First, load up TradingView, and for this strategy we're going to need 2 indicators, and it's super easy to follow. So let's head on over to the indicators tab, and for our first indicator we need the yesterday's open, high, low and close by Eduardo. Once loaded, it's going to look like this, so we need to make some adjustments because we only need yesterday's close. So double click and uncheck all these boxes apart from yesterday's close. Then I'm going to make some adjustments to the color of the yesterday's close. I'm going to change it from blue to white, and I'm going to make it a bit more thicker. Okay, so these white lines are the yesterday's close, and how we're going to use this is by buying when we break above the line, and we're going to be selling when we break below the line. So let's go and get the second indicator, and for the second indicator we need the MACD 4C. Now let's make some adjustments to this as well. We're going to go to inputs. We change the fast moving average to 100, and we change the slow moving average to 200. Then head on over to the style. We're going to make all these colors more visible. We're also going to make the zero line more visible as well. We're going to change the color to white and change the line to make it thicker. Okay, so in this strategy, the MACD is going to be used for trend identification. When it's green, we're going to be looking for longs, and when it's red, we're going to be looking for sells. So now let's go over the entry criteria. Okay, so when looking for a long, this is your entry criteria. First, we look down at the bottom, and we need to make sure the MACD is printing green, signifying we're in a bullish trend. Secondly, we need to make sure we've broke above the yesterday's daily close. Following this, we need to make sure we've just broke out of price action. Okay, so we're going to take the first breakout after it's broke above the yesterday's daily close. The stop loss will be below the swing low, and we'll be targeting a 1.5 R. So one key bit of information, we're only going to take the first breakout of either direction. The rest of the breakouts, we're going to leave it just to filter out a lot of losses. So now let's go over the sell criteria. Okay, so this is your entry criteria when looking for a sell. First, you need to make sure the MACD at the bottom here is printing red, signifying that we're in a sell structural market. Secondly, we're waiting for price to break below the yesterday's daily close, signifying continuation. And once these confirmations have been met, we're going to take the first breakout in the sell direction. So as you can see here, price has just broke below the sell structure. So now we're going to take the instant execution with the stop loss above the recent swing high, and we're going to be targeting a 1.5 R. Okay, so it's fairly simple. I'm going to go and test this 100 times to validate these claims, and I'll come back to you with the results. Okay, so in 7 months, we took 100 trades, 46 won and 54 lost. A max drawdown of 3%, which isn't bad at all, but the final net profit in them 7 months was 15%. Would I recommend trading it? Not really, because it takes up a considerable amount of time every single day to trade for only 15%. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Until next time.